Today we are discussing the question of exercise 3.3, which is based on sum and difference formula. Now the next question is question number 6. This is LHS and this is RHS. So first of all, taking LHS, cos pi by 4 minus x cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x sin pi by 4 minus y. So if we say this one is A, this one is B, so this one is also A, this one is B. Look, cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B. Which formula this one is? Cos A plus B. Is that clear? Cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B, which is equal to cos A plus B. Now we can write here cos pi by 4 means 45 degree, pi by 4 means 45 degree. 45 plus 45, which is equal to pi by 2 minus x minus y. Okay. Now cos pi by 2, here we will take minus common. Therefore, remaining terms inside the bracket are x plus y, and cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. This is right hand side. Do this again. Cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B. ये फॉर्मूला बन गया किसका? cos A plus B का. This one is A, this one is B. Now pi by 4 plus pi by 4 equal to pi by 2. Now we will write the remaining terms, which is minus x and minus y. So cos, same, pi by 2 as it is. Now we will take in common minus sign. So remaining terms inside the bracket are x plus y, and cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Is that clear? Now the next question is question number 7. Tan pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x, and in RHS 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x का whole square. First of all, taking left hand side, tan pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x. In numerator, we have the formula tan A plus B, and denominator we will use tan A minus B. The formula of tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B upon, in the denominator, tan A minus B, tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. Is that clear? In numerator, we have the formula tan A plus B, and denominator tan A minus B. Now we will solve this. The value of tan 45 is 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x upon 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. Is that clear? Because the value of tan 45 is 1. Now by solving these fractions, numerator is same and the denominator is 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x. अपॉन के नीचे अपॉन है तो नीचे वाला क्या हो जाएगा प्लस हो जाएगा. ओके, सो विल न्यूमरेटर वी विल गेट 1 plus tan x which is equal to 1 plus tan x का whole square and in denominator 1 minus tan x is equal to 1 minus tan x का whole square. So we will write this into 1 square, 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x का whole square. This is right hand side. I think there is no doubt. Okay, look this. Question number 8 and 9 we have discussed in previous class. Now the question number 10 is sin n plus 1x, sin n plus 2x plus cos n plus 1 into x, cos n plus 2 into x, and in RHS cos x. So we will taking left hand side. LHS can be written as cos n plus 1 into x, cos n plus 2 into x plus sin n plus 1 into x, sin n plus 2 into x. Both are same. प्लस का साइन है आगे पीछे लिखेंगे तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. सो दिस वन इज a and this is b. So cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Which formula? Cos a minus b. Is that clear? Look this. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Formula is cos a minus b. Now we will open the bracket. Cos multiplied by x nx plus x minus nx minus 2x. nx cancel out. So cos x minus 2x is cos minus x और cos के एंगल पर नेगेटिव का असर नहीं होता है तो रिमेनिंग इज cos x. This is right hand side. Is that clear? Now the next question is question number 11, which is very important question. So in LHS, by taking LHS, cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x by using the formula of cos a plus b and cos a minus b. You can write this cos a, this one is a, this one is b. Okay, cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay, minus again using the formula of cos a minus b, cos a cos b plus sin A sin B. By open the bracket, cos 3 pi by 4 cos x minus sin 3 pi by 4 sin x minus, now we'll open the bracket, sin changes, cos 3 pi by 4 cos x is same, minus, and minus plus is minus, sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x. So we have first term and third term cancel out, and this one is this one same, therefore minus 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 2 sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x. Okay, now we don't know the value of sin 3 pi by 4, so sin 3 pi by 4, that means pi by 4 is 45 into 3, sin 135 degree. Now we will break 135 by using base invertical, 180 minus 45. 180 minus means second quadrant, and in second quadrant sign is positive, and there is no change in 180, that means sin 45, and the value of sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Now we will use direct, the value of sin 3 pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, so minus 2, value of 3 pi by 4 sin is 1 by root 2 into sin x. Here we will write 2 as root 2 into 1 upon root 2 into sin x. Root 2 cancel out, now remaining is root 2 sin x is the right hand side. Okay, तो आज हमने एक्सरसाइज 3.3 के सम एंड डिफरेंस पर बेस्ड कुछ क्वेश्चंस करें। आज आप होमवर्क में ये 2 क्वेश्चन आप ट्राई करेंगे और मेरे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे फोटो खींचकर सेंड करेंगे, ठीक है। और इन एक्सरसाइज 3.3 के जितने भी क्वेश्चन करे हैं अपन ने, उसमें अगर आपको डाउट लगता है तो वो आप मेरे को मैसेज के थ्रू बता देना, तो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में अपन डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक है। और मैथमेटिक्स विद रमेश सर चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब करो और लाइक करें, ठीक है। थैंक यू।